Hi friends, I am Ramakrishna. So today I am discussing about the one of the recruitment notification 2023. In 2023, Government of India released a notification regarding the recruitment of the examiner of patents and design, which is a Group A gazetted job. So it is the recruitment for examiner of patents and design. Okay, this is the post. And the candidates are recruited for this post, which is the Group A gazetted post. So we are going to see this notification thoroughly, so that you know what is the eligibility criteria, what are the vacancies for various disciplines, and what is the age criteria, and what is the educational qualifications, and what are the vacancies and all. We will see all these things in this video. Okay, let us see. So first of all, about this job. So I told you this is the patents and design examiner post, and this is conducted by the Quality Council of India. Okay, so this is conducted by the Quality Council of India, which is under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Okay, so this post is under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next, it is a level 10. If you see in the pay matrix, it is a level 10 pay scale. Okay, so you are in hand you are receiving 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus applicable allowances. So the allowances what is there, and all allowances you will receive. Okay, next, examination fee. While coming to the examination fee, and this is 1,000 rupees for the general and OBC candidates, and 500 rupees for the SC, ST, women and PWD candidates. Okay, so this is the examination fee. Next, while coming to the age limit, so this is minimum required 21 years, minimum age required 21 years, and maximum it is for 35 years. Okay, this is for general and EWS. And for the rest of the categories like SC, ST, PWD, these all categories have age relaxation according to the government norms. Okay, so for general and EWS candidates, minimum is 21 years, maximum is 35 years of age limit is required. Okay, next, see the important dates for the the tentative dates announced by this ministry for conducting this application process. See, for online application process, the application process starts at 14th July. So 14th July onwards, the application starts filling. Okay, next, issuance of e-admit card for preliminary examination. So for preliminary examination, the admit card you will receive on 14th August. 14th August you will get the admit card. Next, preliminary examination. The preliminary examination date is on 3rd September 2023. Okay, next, declaration of results. So it is also mentioned that the results will be announced on 30th September. Okay, the result will be announced on 13th September. Next, mains examination is conducted on 1st October. So these are the tentative dates given by this ministry. Okay, so these are all the very important dates. Keep these dates in mind. Okay, next we will see the vacancies, and this is the major thing. See, this total number of vacancies. See here, there is a very good number of vacancies. That is 553 number of vacancies are there. Okay, so all these 553 vacancies are filled by the 14 disciplines, various disciplines. That is 14 number of disciplines are eligible for this 553 number of vacancies. Okay, so these disciplines, if you see, biotechnology, biochemistry, food technology, food chemistry, next polymer science and technology, biomedical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, computer science and information technology, physics, civil engineering, mechanical, metallurgy, textile. So these are the 14 disciplines are eligible for this number of vacancies. Okay, so I'm going to explain some major branches, so where the good number of vacancies are there. Okay, first of all, see the electronics and communication engineering. If you see this one here, total you have 108 number of vacancies. Out of 553, you have electronics and communication engineering candidates. Those who have degree in electronics and communication engineering, those have 108 number of vacancies. Out of these 108, see 15 for SC, 6 for ST, OBC 30, EWS 11, unreserved, there are 46 number of vacancies for unreserved. Okay, similarly, if you see electrical engineering, there are 29 number of vacancies. Okay, next, computer science, there are very good number again. It is 63 number of vacancies for computer science and IT, information technology. Next, if you come to this civil engineering, there are 9 vacancies are there. And coming to the mechanical engineering, again there are very good number, that is 99 number of vacancies for the mechanical engineering. So electronics and ECE there is 108, electrical 29, and computer science 63, civil 9, and mechanical engineering there are 99 number of vacancies. Okay, so these are the vacancies given by this ministry, and these vacancies are, you know, there may be some difference in these vacancies. There it is mentioned that there are the tentative vacancies. That means, you know, these vacancies may increase or decrease. Okay, so it is mentioned in this notification. Okay, so anyhow these are the final vacancies, so we just keep in this number in mind. So and for the, especially for the branches, electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil, all are very good number of vacancies. Okay, next, see eligibility and qualification. See, first of all, eligibility criteria. See, the candidate must be either a citizen of India. See here, it is a citizen of India, or subject of Nepal, or a subject of Bhutan, or a Tibetan refugee who can over India before 1st January 1962. Okay, so this is the condition mentioned in this notification. So these people who are from this subject of Nepal and subject of Bhutan, and these are also eligible for this notification. Okay, next, see, candidates must hold the degree. It is mentioned the degree. So in this notification it is given the degree is bachelor degree or master degree. So if you have master degree also you are eligible, but minimum is bachelor degree. If you have minimum bachelor degree, and you are eligible for this notification. Okay, so you must have a degree in any of the above disciplines. I told you, there are 14 number of disciplines are there. So you must have a degree, basic degree in that any one of the discipline. So you are eligible for this notification. Okay, next we will see the scheme of the examination. Okay, first of all, see there is a three the three patterns are there. So first it is the preliminary examination pattern. That means the first step is the preliminary examination for screening of candidates for the main examination. So main examinations के लिए पहले prelim exam conduct करता है, and then after the main examination is conducted. Okay, so second stage is mains examination, and third you have an interview. Okay, so first you have prelims, next mains, next interview. Okay, these are the three stages, and we will see these stages clearly here. See, first of all, prelims examination. So what is there in the prelims examination? So what is the syllabus, and what are the marks and all? See, this examination is conducted online mode only. So only it is a online examination. Okay, next, here maximum there are 150 number of questions. Okay, each question carry 1 mark. That means you have total 115 marks prelims examination is there. Okay, so total you have 150 marks, 150 questions, each question carry 1 mark, and total 150 number of marks you are supposed to appear for prelims. Okay, so these 150 marks is also segregated according to the syllabus. That means, see here, general English there are 15 marks. That means you get 15 questions directly from the general English. Okay, so next, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so this is 30 marks. That means 30 questions you will receive. Okay, quantitative aptitude 30 marks, again same 30 questions. Okay, general knowledge and current affairs. General knowledge and current affairs mix, and it is by mixing these two topics they are giving 30 number of questions. Okay, these 30 marks, that means 30 number of questions. Okay, next, general science, again you have a 30 questions. Okay, next, IP legislation in India and WIPO and related treaties, that is 15 marks. Intellectual property legislation in India, World Intellectual Property Organization. Okay, so basically this is the organization is based working on the patents. Okay, this is the organization worldwide giving the permission for the patents from the various countries. Okay, so this related treaties are important. Okay, this is given 15 marks. That means 15 questions are coming from this area. Okay, so these are the marks and the related questions according to the how many number of questions is given for each topic. It is clearly mentioned, so you need to go through the topics what is given here. Okay, so total 150 number of questions, 150 marks. Next, qualifying to mains. So after completing the prelims, so how you are qualifying for mains? See here, the number of candidates to be admitted to the mains examination on the basis of result of the preliminary examination may be about 20 times. See here, it is 20 times. That means, see, 20 times in the sense I told you in the electronics and communication engineering there are 109, 108 number of vacancies are there. So you are supposed to be mains for the candidates are selected for mains are the times of 20 number of vacancies into that times of 20 number of vacancies. Getting? So how many vacancies are there? 20 times that of you are eligible for the mains examination. Okay. So it is approximate number of vacancies to be filled through this recruitment process. Next, the minimum qualifying marks in preliminary examination. See, it is minimum qualifying marks is also mentioned here. That is unreserved. That is 30% of minimum qualifying mark required for unreserved. And for OBC and EWS, it is 25%. And for others, it is 20. Others means SC, ST and PWD candidates, it is 20% minimum qualifying marks is required for preliminary cutoff. Okay. Next the mains examination pattern. So after completing the prelims successfully, so you are eligible for enter into the mains examination pattern. Okay, so what is there in the mains examination? See, this mains examination will be conducted in offline mode only. See here, so preliminary examination only online mode, mains examination it is only offline mode. Okay, here it consists of written examination and will consist of a written examination. It means descriptive examination is also there. So see the pattern of these two papers for mains examination. Paper 1, it is OMR based exam. Okay, so it is OMR based exam. In paper 1, it is a OMR based examination. That means in paper 1 is a objective type examination. Okay, so paper 2, it is a descriptive type examination. Getting? So in mains you have two papers. Paper 1 is objective type, paper 2 is descriptive type. Both are offline mode only. Okay, see here, paper 1 will consist of 100 marks. Okay, paper 2 will consist of 300 marks. Okay, so this is mentioned that paper 1 is 100 marks. Next, paper 1 will be of 2 hours duration. See here, paper 1, that is objective examination in mains exam, is a paper 1, that is 2 hours duration is there. It composed of maximum of 100 objective type multiple choice questions. Okay, so 100 number of questions, each question carries 1 mark, that is 100 marks for paper 1, that is 2 hours duration. Okay, here the syllabus is also mentioned for this paper 1, that is general knowledge and current affairs. You are getting 20 questions, general aptitude 20 questions, and next elementary mathematics 20 questions. That means basically up to 10th class level, 10th standard you are supposed to get the questions based on this elementary mathematics. Next, English language proficiency, that is 20 questions, and knowledge related to intellectual property rights. See, this topic is also there in for prelims, and there are 20 questions from these intellectual property rights related topics. Okay, so this is for the paper 1 in mains examination objective. Okay, so next we are coming to the paper 2. This is, I told you, paper 2 is a descriptive type examination. Paper 2 will test the knowledge of the candidate in the technical and scientific discipline. This is very important, technical and scientific discipline. This is purely your core area. That means if you are belongs to the electronics and communication branch, means your paper 2 in the mains examination purely based on the your technical area only. The syllabus is also we will see. So syllabus, if you go through the syllabus, then you come to know that. Okay, paper 2 will be of 3 hours duration. Okay, paper 1 it is 2 hours duration, paper 3 it is 3 hours. Okay, comprises 300 marks. Next, cumulative marks obtained in paper 1 and paper 2 will be assigned 80% weightage. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2 combinedly, cumulatively, it is you are supposed to get 80% weightage in the final list of qualified candidates. Okay, so in the final list including interview, 80% weightage is given to your selection process. Okay, that is by the paper 1 and paper 2 in the mains exam only. Okay, number of candidates to be eligible for interview may be about 5 times. Okay, 5 times the approximate total number of vacancies. Okay, so interview for mains, I told you it is 20 times. For interview it is, for example, I am taking example same, 180 into 5. So these many number of candidates are selected for the interview. Okay, so 5 times it is mentioned, total number of vacancies. Okay, so this is the process of the mains examination and the selection. Next, final, it is interview. Interview will be of 100 marks. See, this is also very important stage. Okay, so prelims, mains, and then after interview, it is for 100 marks, and will test the candidate on the topics covered in the, see, it is mentioned that topics covered in the preliminary and mains examination. So in prelims and mains and whatever the exams you are appearing in those two areas, and your interview is also based on those areas only. That means the topics what you are prepared for prelims and mains, same topics are in interview also. It helps the questions based on your technical area and general knowledge. They will test all your knowledge, including technical, non-tech, everything is that is mentioned in your syllabus. Okay, the marks obtained in the interview will be given in 20% weightage. Okay, so interview is 20% weightage and your mains examination is 80% weightage. Okay, so this is how the qualifying the candidates for final list. Next, the medium of examination, preliminary and mains examination, only English only. Okay, so either prelims or mains examination you must write in English only. Okay, next we will see syllabus. See, syllabus, if you please go through the notification, I just mentioned the streams only. Okay, generally if you go through the syllabus of your core area, so 90% of the syllabus is engineering services exam syllabus only, ESC syllabus only. I have seen for especially electronics and communication, one topic microwave engineering is there. That is actually in 2000, before 2018 it is part of ESC, but later on it is removed. But that is only the extra topic mentioned in the syllabus, and rest everything is the same as ESC syllabus. So those who are preparing for ESC engineering services from the past 2 to 3 years and all, and they are very easy to crack this examination. Okay, why? Because the main areas all you are familiar with, the GATE students or ESC students all are familiar with the syllabus it is mentioned. Okay, so these are the stream wise. If you go, please go through the notification for this main syllabus. Okay, so in detail syllabus if you want, if you just go through go through the notification that is given in the description box. So well, my dear aspirants, we have seen that in the technical area, the total 553 number of vacancies are there. Okay, so we have seen total 553 number of vacancies are there. So in the 14 disciplines, if you see the 4 disciplines or 5 disciplines is civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics and communication, and CSIT. So if you combine these 5 streams, so you have total 308 number of vacancies are there out of 553. Okay, so there is a, these 4 streams are very very main streams, and it is nearly occupied more than 50% vacancies. Okay, so MEDISI is launching some online recorded lecture course. Okay, so what is this course? So I already told you the mains paper 2 is the deciding factor for your recruitment. Okay, so this paper 2 consists of 300 marks. Okay, so out of this 300, how many more marks you get? There is a possibility of chance that you getting a job. So, and this paper 2 is pure technically based on your respective stream. Okay, so if you are belongs to the civil engineering, pure civil engineering syllabus is there. Okay, if you are belongs to mechanical syllabus like EC, electronics, respective stream syllabus is there. Okay, for this paper 2, especially in the mains examination, MEDISI is giving online recorded lecture course. Okay, so this course consists of your syllabus, whatever the syllabus mentioned in this notification, that entire syllabus is video recorded lecture form. Okay, you received that video recorded lecture form. Okay, so that is available in the MEDISI. Okay, so MEDISI is recently launching for the aspirants. There is concern from the many aspirants. They are asking that, sir, please launch the course, please start the classes for this. So for that, we are launching the online recorded classes, and it will commencing on 14th July, and the course validity up to 1st of October, and at this date your mains examination is there. Okay, so please enroll this course for the interested aspirants so that you can get the very good command for the paper 2 examination, which is a deciding factor. Okay, so fee, while coming to the fee, it is 7,000 plus GST. If you want to more details, please go through the MEDISI website, that is www.medisi.in. If even you go through the MEDISI website, you can get more details. Okay, so we keeping this paper in mind. Why? Because this is the major portion of your marks, that is 300 marks mains examination. So these video recorded lectures will really help you for achieving very good score in your technical area. Okay, so please enroll the interested candidates, and this is a very very new course launched by the Medici recently. Thank you very much, guys, and please focus on this examination. Why? Because this is the exam is not giving regularly. Okay, this is giving only when there is vacancies created in the ministry. Okay, so nearly 4 to 5 years, once in a 5 years, once in a 6 years, you are receiving this type of such great opportunity. So my suggestion is, please go follow this notification and all, and I hope this video is very helpful for you guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching video, guys. Thank you.
For more such informative content, subscribe to the Medici YouTube channel and press the bell icon to make sure that you never miss an important update.